guys, Wabbit is here again with another Note 10 review. Before we actually get talking about the great innovative features this flagship from Samsung got, let's cast our attention towards the S Pen. Guys, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to not miss out on an upload, and also please like and share this video with friends and families. Thank you. Moving on, the S Pen remains familiar but now complete with a few nifty tricks. Let's look at the dimensions of the S Pen. It measures 5.8 by 4.35 by 105.08 millimeters and tips the scale at 3.04 grams. It even has the same clicker on one end, but its design has been modified, which Samsung calls a unibody design. I will leave the in-depth review to the pros. For now, the main concern is the remote control ability of the S Pen. Upgrading from the previous version, the S Pen can seamlessly control your Note 10 in a way a magician wand can be used to control one's imagination. This year, Samsung has thrown a 6-axis sensor including a gyroscope and an accelerometer into the small S Pen. It's almost surreal when you think about it. All that tech can now fit in this small pen. This allows for some new remote motion based gestures, tap air actions. If you ever wanted to feel like a wizard, now you can wave the S Pen around and control the Note 10 from a distance. The great feeling of what you can do far away from your camera. Just imagine it, the number of great selfies, great pictures, vlogging and more you can do with the S Pen. Indeed, Samsung has really set the bar high for its competitors. Anyway, this is all I have for you today. Just to put it out there, Note 10 isn't cheap either. With all these great features of the S Pen, the piece of gadget is whopping at $1,400 plus when released. Thanks for your time. Please subscribe and like the video, share with friends and families. Have a nice day, and Wabbit will soon return with more tech videos. Peace, double rock on, and I'm out.